In the market garden we are, and we are overwhelmed because everything did everything at one time. So this part is going to be about the royal Burgundy beans. They're purple. The flowers are purple. They're actually really, really pretty. They kind of trail a little like a pole bean almost. But as you can see here, they got them in all phases. This one here. The purple means they're high in antioxidants. That's what me and Crystal were talking about. And then I double-checked myself. Double-checked, but she was correct. Also got other stuff for you. Now, when you cook them, they don't stay purple. They turn green, like a green bean. But we're going to have a heck of a mess of them. Look right here, you can kind of see green in them. Yep. There you go. Yeah. These are the royal Burgundy beans. They're pretty cool. And hopefully we get several pickings off of this mess. We only put one row out because we put out multiple varieties of beans this year. And now we're drowning, which is a good problem to have. So there we have it.